And good afternoon from a beautiful sunny afternoon in Stockholm. Not a single cloud in the sky, and the day's been stunning all day, so thought I'd head out, try catch the sunset, and for today's vlog I think I'm going to hit up some rooftops. Let's go do that. So on the way to the rooftop bar, I found a composition that really stood out for me. Just stumbled upon it spontaneously and thought I'd get the camera out and try to capture it. Check this out. So it's mid-golden hour now and the light is just looking stunning. So what you see over here is the Parliament of Sweden. But what really caught my eye here is this flowing water. Looks amazing. And then since there aren't any clouds in the sky anyway, I thought the foreground would be a lot more interesting. So I angled my camera downwards to focus and get a lot of the foreground in, and then using a 10 stock filter I'm exposing for between 30 seconds and a minute and trying to get these water streams really streaky. Check it out, this is what I came up with. I highly recommend this bar. Not, however, if you're looking to take great photos. I couldn't find a single composition that I was truly happy with. Next location will be this one right here. So up there's the bar I just came from, and looks like an amazing place to hang out with your friends, and sunset looked beautiful, but from a photography point of view, wasn't so overly impressed, but whatever. You win some, you lose some. Anyway, no composition really stood out for me that I really liked, but I have one more rooftop in mind, and let's head over there and maybe we're in for a surprise there. Let's go check it out. So the sun is set already and we're turning into the blue hour. Made it to the next rooftop I want to check out, which is just up there. Yeah, going into this one with open expectations, and let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm on top of the rooftop now, and again I'm not crazy impressed by the view, but that's okay. It's actually one composition I'm willing to try, and I'm gonna set up a tripod and see if we can get that. So I've zoomed into the highway with these buildings in the background, and I'm gonna try to do some light trails of the cars coming off the highway over here. That's why I'm using a tripod and doing 30-second long exposures. Check out the final result. And for my final shot of the day, I've zoomed into this tower over here. I'm going to try catch these boats as well with the smooth water of the bay down here. Again, long exposure because it's getting really dark, and here's what I came up with. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So despite doing my location scouting ahead of time and the weather being so great, with the sunset really looking stunning, I just couldn't find a composition in the end that I was happy with. So it's a bit of a shame, but I think that's the beauty of photography, because you have that level of unpredictability, and sometimes you can get really great shots and sometimes it just doesn't work out. And today was one of those evenings, and I'm okay with that. And ironically, I set out to go shoot some rooftops, and the one shot I'm actually really happy with is the one I took down by the river, the long exposure with the rapids with the Parliament in the background. Really happy with that shot, and had a good time walking around Stockholm on such a beautiful day anyway. Anyway, before I keep rambling on, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment below, and if you aren't already, please subscribe. See you in the next episode. Good night.